Hi, I've been waiting for you.
You for waiting.
Well, first
Wait,
I can't see you.
I'm coming. Wait, what happened here?
Where are you? I can't see you.
Oh, yeah, I'm here. Ah,
Hi,
excuse
is
me.
there something on your head?
I'm a bunny now.
Is there something under the head?
I'm a bunny. See?
Of course, you are bunny. Well, talking about
Okay,
the
how are you
bunny,
today?
so I want to ask you, do you have any pets?
Two.
How many?
Two. How many? Okay, let me count.
I got
So there
thousands.
are.
I got thousands.
Wow, that's cool.
I got thousands of
I
baby
have.
fish.
I see. I have. So there are 7 cats that I take care of right now.
Uh-huh.
There are 6 dogs
Ooh.
also, and 1 turtle, and some fish. The tiny,
Wow.
tiny fish in the pond. So
You
I
say
cannot count them.
you
I have
only
many.
you said you have only have two pets.
I don't say that. Never said that before.
Of course you did.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
No.
So you have a
Maybe you
fish.
misremembered me.
You have a fish. So
Have some
do
fish.
your fish give birth to babies?
Yes, they do.
How
They,
many?
yeah, they breed. I can't count. There's so many. There are too many. They always
I
coming and coming.
there are two of the mother fish. The first one gave birth to some babies, lot of them, and then it
Yes.
died.
What?
And then the mother fish died. So there is only one left.
I see. Yes, a fish is also like that. Like, it can die easily, you know?
And the
The
second one
lifespan is
gave
very
birth
short.
to so many of them too. It's almost equal of the first mother fish, but the first one is bigger now.
I see.
And it's
Okay.
very big. So my grandma is a super clever grandma. So she put the baby fish which were born first, and the baby fish is going to grow. So she put it in the big tank, and the little one put it into the
Oh,
small tank. Adorable,
I
right?
see. Yes, that's very good.
And I catch some for my grandma too.
Oh, does she like fish?
She has bigger ones at home.
Oh, in her house?
Of course. And there are two cousins which are boys. Hello? Is there anybody home?
Sorry,
Okay, let me
I
continue
was
my
talking
story.
a bit.
And there are two of my cousins which named David and Henry. They often tease me, so I often punch them
Ah, why?
because they are naughty.
Why does she tease you?
I don't know why. The first day when I came, they are very I'm home, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. Keeps sounding so joyfully, and then a few days he started to tease me. What a super
I want to know.
crazy cousin. And the second one is younger than me,
Okay.
but he is very good manners, not like my older cousin. My older cousin is one week older than me because
1 week only?
of course.
I see. Okay.
And
So,
I am only 7, and my 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 younger cousin is 6, and my older one is 8. So we say 6, 7, 8. There, huh? And I always be in the middle
I see. Yes.
because
Exactly.
if we do it opposite, I am still in the middle.
Unless there's another one coming, then you will not be in the middle anymore.
Who?
I don't know. Your own might have a baby soon. Who's
The baby is the last one because
okay, so
okay.
ready to study?
Have you ever been to the National Museum? Okay, I know it.
Let's kiss your sticker down.
Is we are going to learn about nationals. I'm going to choose. Guess what? Guess which I'm going to choose.
Which number then?
Number 8, of course.
8?
Of course, because on Saturday I'm going to teach sea animals to my class.
See. Okay, so ready?
Of course. Yee. Let's start. Now, can we start now?
Let's start. Okay, sure.
Okay. What up with
Alright.
a talk? Let's talk. Let's talk about what?
You've talked already. I think that's
I
enough.
know. Let's talk about your bunny ears.
A bunny?
Yeah, you have
A
bunny
bunny?
ears. It means you have 4
Yes, I
ears.
am.
You have 4 ears. You have 4 ears. You have 4 ears.
Yes, I have 4 ears right now.
Of course, if you take off the bunny ears, you only have 2. But when you put it on, you have 4 ears, so you can listen everywhere. Left, right.
Exactly.
Of course,
Alright.
I'm always right. Okay.
You are always right because you are a
Look
girl.
and listen and repeat.
Okay,
Of course, I'm a
let's
girl.
do it now. Okay,
A girl
ready?
who boys are scared. Okay, let's start.
Metal,
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 plastic,
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 glass,
glass,
wood,
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 wool,
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 stone,
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 Hey, thank you for repeating. That's
yay.
wonderful.
Okay,
Okay.
I know all the
Okay, I'll give you one
answers
star.
because I'm very,
yeah.
very clever.
Okay.
So,
Let's start
I
with
want to
number
ask
one
you a
then.
question.
Go ahead.
It's a riddle. It's called The More You Take, the More You Leave Behind. What is that?
More I take, the more I leave behind.
Hmm?
Footsteps, footprints.
You quit? You gave up yet?
What's it? Footprints, footsteps.
You're right. Of course, it's
Yay!
footsteps. Okay, 4
Okay,
years
so-
teacher. Okay, 4 years teacher. Let's start.
Number one, what is that?
Okay, the sheep can give people this wool. Of course,
Yes. Just type it in.
of course. This is for you. This is for you. For 4 year teacher. Well, I'm just joking. Is it right?
Next.
Okay,
Yes.
people can make
Or-
this from sand. Is it glass?
Yes, correct.
I knew it. It was glass. It was glass. I'm so smart for teacher. Yeah.
Number three.
Okay, people can get this from trees. It's wood.
Yes, wood. Good.
I like wood.
Yeah, that's very good.
It's so good. So I can see a woodpecker. I saw a woodpecker.
Good job.
And there is a kind of bird
Oh.
who can speak. Who can speak? Ah. Who can speak? Speak. Hello.
I see. It's a parrot, right?
It's not a parrot. It's a kind of other bird, but not a parrot. Parrots can copy our voice, just like a jar. It's just like a dog barks, and then it barks too. Well,
That's back.
this summer my parents will get me a parrot, and I don't want a cat because cats. Oh, I forgot. Luckily parrots,
Get your
because luckily parrots don't eat
See?
my fish. Next,
Okay.
next
Let's
summer,
have more vocabulary.
I love a parrot. Okay, let's repeat again.
Yes, sure.
creatures,
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 creatures.
a dinosaur,
A dinosaur,
A dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
Extinct.
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 Bone.
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 A museum.
A museum.
A museum.
A museum.
Very good. Thank you for repeating. Okay. Now let's read and
Okay.
fill in the blank.
I want to become a doctor. My dad became a doctor when he was 13 years old. She has just become a doctor. I'll write it out.
But sure, please type it in.
Of course, I'll write it quickly so we don't need to waste time with the 4 years teacher. Any more? Am I right or am I wrong?
You're right.
What are you looking at?
Cat.
Your cat. Your-
Okay, good. Let's move on here.
Okay, we can find any dinosaur a day.
Nowadays.
Oops, I forgot it. Oops, I got.
Wish we could see dinosaurs.
Of course.
I wish we could see dinosaurs today.
Because if a meteor haven't crashed to Earth, the dinosaur will be there for years already.
Okay, next.
He found his key yesterday.
Very good. And
Okay, I'm finished.
good job. I missed the T here.
What are you What are you smiling at?
The cats.
My cat's yours cat. Let me see your cat.
You sure? I'm not supposed to wait. Let me take them. Let me take one of them. Hey, wait.
Okay, I can wait. Ooh, that's a cute one.
Yeah. Wait, let me put on my headset first. Okay, so her name is Misu.
Ooh.
Hi. Hi, Misu. Hey,
So
Susie.
it's so cute.
It is sleepy.
I-
You're sleeping on the bed.
But cats are not turtle animals. They hunt.
Cats are not what?
Cats are not turtle animals because they sleep at day and hunt for mice at night.
Yes, they are nocturnal. Yeah. Wow.
Wow, I never see that. I never see such a cat.
Okay. Let's go on to
Grammarly,
here the
the
present
simple
tense.
task yet. I haven't been to
Okay.
the National Museums yet.
Mhm.
She
Good.
hasn't
Next.
done her homework yet. My
Very good.
parents haven't been home yet.
Yes. So the negative we can add
Today
yet.
I'm so sleepy because I don't get any sleep at school.
Oh, that's poor.
I did get some
Okay.
sleep, but 1 o'clock I have to wake up
What for?
to study. Of course, I stay there for the afternoon at school, and I eat there.
Oh. See, that's so poor. Okay, let's finish this lesson
So
and then you
poor.
can sleep. So that okay.
I'm so sleepy. Okay, let's start.
All right. Now
I
here we will
have
use
never seen a dinosaur at a museum before.
Yeah. So if you put never, just add
Never
have
is
or
means
has.
we have not see something.
Not ever. Never means not ever.
Mhm.
It's not
It's,
see. But
so
could be
it
anything.
means we have not see something in a place, right?
It's possible. Yes. Okay. Here,
Ooh,
look at
that's
this example.
pretty. Well, my old teacher
Read it
taught me never already.
Yeah, that's very good.
I miss him a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's see. For she, you must use
She
has.
has never made a pizza. So never is one more thing is not do something yet.
It's possible you can select that. So
Yeah,
never
because I never ever
not
make a pizza. So I never ever
yes. So
I never
have
ever
made a pizza.
play with naughty boys and naughty girls. I only like what are my classmates?
Okay. You only like your classmates. Is
A
it?
boy.
Okay, I see. Let's continue here.
Okay. We have never gone shopping together. Oh, I always gone shopping with my mom. Mom, oops. Mom, Dad, Mom.
Alright, so let's complete the sentences using never or
She
yes.
has never been to Paris before. My brother hasn't done his homework yet. I haven't done the dishes yet. They have never sung. Oh, is he singing? Sung
Okay.
is actually have to letter A here.
Why? No, because you have to use the past participle. No.
They
Use
have
past participle
sung. They
or
have never
have
sung
not.
on the stage. Where are you?
I know suddenly, like I'm here, I'm back. Here. Okay, continue.
Okay.
Number 5.
We haven't eaten dinner yet.
Alright. Okay. Good job, Susie. Next. Let's
Excuse
look
me.
at this
Okay,
trick.
that's why I like to do this. The boy went to the dinosaur park with his sister.
Good. Next.
Suddenly, a dinosaur appeared and the girl cried.
Okay. Yeah.
The girl stopped crying because it was that was just her friend who wore a dinosaur costume.
I see. That's very good story. Alright. We have the listening section now. So,
Okay,
listen
I'm not going to write anymore. I'm going to match.
Okay.
My hands are so
Ready?
sore and tired. Of course, I'm ready.
Listen and write.
I'm
There
always
is one
ready for
example.
things. So, how can I write?
You visited the museum yesterday, right, David? Yes, Grandpa. I went to the Natural History Museum. Natural. Yes.
Excuse me.
N-A-T-U-R.
Yes.
How am I going to write?
After you hear,
How?
you listen to this audio.
Listen and then do it. Aha. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Stop.
R-A-L. It was a great trip, Grandpa. I haven't been to a history museum before.
Can you see the answers?
Now you listen and write. What did you see at the museum, David? I can see dinosaurs there.
Dinosaurs.
I have seen dinosaurs in the movies many times,
Dinosaurs.
but I have never
How
seen them
fair.
at a museum
How
before.
fair.
Is that museum
How
near
fair.
your school, David? I don't think
How
so,
fair
Grandpa.
science from school.
It is about 10 kilometers from my school. How did you get there?
10
Our class went there on a
kilometers.
school
Okay.
bus,
1, 2,
Grandpa.
okay.
Did you take photos, David? Sure.
2.
There are some interesting activities for students there, Grandpa. You know, our class joined all workshops and science shows at the museum
Okay.
too.
1,
Sounds
2,
great.
3. Okay, I got it. Now I will match.
Now what can you
The
see
first one I
there?
can see dinosaurs, and then how far
Yeah.
is 10 kilometers, and workshop and science show. Okay, I'm right. Oh,
Yay, good job. Yes. Okay. Let's move on to next listening section here. You
It's
listen
almost
and
my
listen
mom's
in each box.
birthday.
Yeah. When is that?
Well, can you guess? It's on S and Y. Here's a clue.
S and Y?
Mhm.
Saturday or Sunday?
Of course, you are very good. So, let me think of something else to guess you. Well, maybe later.
Okay, let's do this listening now, okay?
Listen and look. Write a letter in each box. There is one example.
I can't find out where these materials are, Mr. Johnson.
Look at the bottom of the map, Betty.
Yes, Mr. Johnson. I can see some small shapes with different colours here. I can see metal is grey. Oh, look. On the map, there are many grey squares where the mountains are. So we can find the metal on the mountains. Right, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, well done, Betty. Can you see the letter B? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
From the mountain. If we move to the area near the beach, we can see blue squares. Oh, they are glass factories. Oh, look at this page. It says that glass is made from sand. Wow, sounds interesting. There are
It's
lots of
blue.
steps to make
Okay.
sand become glass.
Blue.
You're right.
Glass blue. Rock.
These small black squares must be for the stone. People can get stone from the mountains and they
Okay.
use it for building.
Is
I visited
for
a
number
castle
3.
last week,
Okay.
Mr. Johnson,
1,
and it was so
2.
amazing that the castle was made of stone.
1,
Really?
2. 1, 2.
Where
1,
can you find
2.
the wood, Betty?
Let me see. The
2.
map shows wood is green squares.
1,
There are
2,
lots of green
3.
squares at this
Okay,
place
I got it.
and that place. Oh, these places are
I
forests.
got it.
People get wood from the trees.
Alright.
Now,
The
let's-
glass. What
okay.
is that?
The first one is E. And the second one is
E.
F. And the third and the last one is Mr. D. Is Mr. Dog.
Okay. Now, let's
Ooh.
answer this.
Can I read it?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, let's start now. A trip to the museum. Mrs. Queen took Charlie's class to a national museum last Thursday or Tuesday. I always get them mixed up.
Thursday.
Okay, Thursday. They were very excited, and some of them brought out cameras and took photos at the museum. Mrs.
Why?
is a lady who works at a museum brought Mrs. Queen and his students around.
First. Sorry, this is a typo.
And his students around. Why?
Should be her. Because Mrs. Queen. Yes.
Should be her and her students around. There are 3 floors in that museum. The ground floor is from paintings by famous artists. If you want to see the ship model,
Nose.
move up to the 2nd floor. Mrs. White says all the kids were very
Miss
excited about the things on the 3rd floor because that is the place for real dinosaur bones. Charlie and his classmate were taking photos of a flying dinosaur, wings, bones, and when Mrs. Queen and taught
Came and talked to them about
About
that
the-
dinosaur.
So, Mrs. Queen also told them about the history about dinosaurs. Oh, dinosaurs will be extinct soon because I have seen many dinosaurs in the story, but real ones, not pretend one.
I
Very,
guess so.
very, 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 very awesome. Okay, a nice lady from the museum helped the 4th-year teacher and students.
Okay.
There,
Sure.
okay. There are. Oh, and there are ship models on the 2nd floor. The kids like to see bones on the third floor. Mrs. Four Ears teacher told them history of dinosaurs to her students.
Yeah. Hey, very good.
Why did I mention
Okay.
that to be 4-year teacher?
Okay, I have a new name now. Well,
Okay, I want to ask you a question. There is a word is after Friday.
word after Friday,
Is,
Saturday.
of course. So, what color is the starfish?
Color of starfish.
No, the
Any
real
color.
life. In the real life.
I saw one with sort of
Red.
orange.
Red, orange, and sometimes they're yellow.
Yes, they have many colors actually.
Uh,
Sometimes they are brown.
so
sometimes
today I
blue.
got 8 starfish.
Yay! Good job.
Yay!
Okay,
Yay,
Susie.
Ripple,
Thank you so
for your
much for
teacher.
tonight.
Okay, bye-bye,
Yeah.
teacher.
I'm so happy with you. Okay, bye bye, Susie. See you next time.
Bye-bye,
Have a good night.
for your
Thank
teacher.
you. Bye. Bye, Susie.